In three, two, one. Hi everyone, welcome to Lux Unboxing. My name is Josie, and today we are gonna do a Chanel unboxing. Now, you guys know that the Chanel sale is going on right now. It has been nuts. I have been texting different FAs, trying to get different stuff, but it has just been crazy. I feel so sorry for them because it's just been completely nuts. They had the private sale starting since last week, and then the actual sale started yesterday on Tuesday, the public, but it's just been crazy. Like, I've been trying to get a hold of some of them. Some of them have responded, but I completely understand because they've just been nuts. But I am so sorry because I'm actually losing my voice, but I wanted to make this video because last night I hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So thank you again for all your support, everything that you guys have done for me, you know, all the messages, just how encouraging you guys have been. Honestly, this journey has just been crazy. Like, I've never been like a big YouTuber. I don't really watch YouTube a lot. You know, every once in a while, maybe I'll Google something, but other than that, I really don't. And it's crazy because my kids would come up to me like once in a while, showing me things, my husband, and I just, you know, like, I don't sit there and like watch a lot of YouTube, but I got obsessed with the Chanel small vanity chain, and I just wanted it so bad because it had been like the cutest thing I'd ever seen. It fit an iPhone XS Max, and I just lost out on different opportunities to get it. And so at the beginning of this year, it came out on the Chanel website, and I was like, I have to have this bag. Like, it's just crazy. I want it like now. And so I tried, you know, getting a hold of different people, and I actually went to the Chanel in Vegas. I won't say which, actually I will. It was at the Wynn store, and they had said that they had this bag like in a smaller version. And so I went there, you know, I was really excited to see it, like, you know, in person, because I'd never seen what it looks like, and I wanted to make sure that I wanted it, right? Because I didn't want to buy it and then like not like it. So I went there, and it was like the craziest thing ever. You know, I am always like casual like this. This is like my getup every single day, like leggings and a shirt, and I just go because I have 2 kids. So I went there, and I wasn't very like dressed up or like looking chic, right? Which is, I didn't think was a big deal. So I kind of waited there for a couple of minutes, and there was like nothing. Like, people had walked by, and you know, there's a couple in front of me that had gone in. So I'm obviously waiting because of COVID. I don't know what the regulations are. Do I walk inside? Do I wait for them to like let me in? I don't know, right? So I just waited there, and then this lady comes up to me, and she's like, "What are you waiting for?" And I was like, "What? What do you mean? Like, what am I waiting for? Like, I'm waiting to get in, right?" So she was like, "Well, then come on inside." And I was like, "Okay." So I came in, and I was kind of a little bit taken aback by that because it was kind of like very abrupt. And then so she had asked me like, "Oh, is there something specific that you're looking for?" And I told her that I was looking for the small vanity case, and she was like, "Oh, well, there's a smaller version around here somewhere, but we just did a floor set change." So I said, "Okay, like, what am I supposed to do with that, right? Like, am I supposed to go look around myself?" I didn't know what to do. So she goes, "Well, I have another bag similar to it. Let me just show it to you." So she shows me this other bag, completely different than what I had wanted, because it was like a larger bag. The only thing that was the same was the material was raffia, and that was it. Like, otherwise it was like just an older looking bag, totally different style than what I was looking for. So, you know, when we were talking, I was telling her like, "Well, I really wanted this, you know, raffia bag. I saw it. I know it just came out." And she was like, "You know what? You're not going to get it because it's completely sold out everywhere, and you're not going to find it." And so I sat there, and I kind of felt defeated. I was like, man, like, this really sucks. You know, like, I came here hopefully, you know, with the idea that it's here somewhere, right? She hadn't even bothered looking for the other one because there's 2 sizes, a large one and a small one. She didn't even bother looking for the smaller one, mind you, okay? So I just sat there, and I was like, okay. And she was just like, "Yeah, it's totally sold out. You're not going to get it." And all of a sudden, my phone goes off, ding, and it was my messages. And it was from my fabulous, super amazing FA saying, "Hey, Josie, I just wanted to let you know that the Chanel small vanity case had come in, and I can give it to you." And I was like, "What?" Like I just felt like the heaven, like angels started singing, and I was just in shock, right? So I'm sitting here looking at my phone. Mind you, the girl was just like kind of looking at me, trying to figure out what's going on, and I must have had like this crazy look on my face, and I was like, "Oh, you know, the bag that you said was sold out? Actually, my FA just said that they can get it for me. And she was like, what? So she took my phone and she like read it and she was like, oh my gosh, you do have an FA. And oh my gosh, he's actually able to get you the bag. Like, wow, you're so lucky. Her attitude and her demeanor just totally changed. And she got super nice. She's like, is there anything else that you want to see? Do you want to see any other wallets? Do you want to see any other clothing or accessories? And I was like, I don't know if you guys have seen Pretty Woman. That's like one of my favorite movies ever. But that time where Julia Roberts was trying to go shopping and nobody wanted to help her. And then all of a sudden, you know, she went with Richard Gere. She went shopping. He threw money. And then, bam, it was like everyone was so nice to her. And you know that moment when she walks in to the store and she's got all her bags, right? And she's like, big mistake, huge mistake. That moment was what I felt like. Because, you know, at the end of the day, I might not look like I buy stuff, but who cares, right? Just be nice. Like, you don't know who the person is. Treat everyone with kindness. My grandmother has always taught me, like, just to be nice to people. It doesn't matter if they're rich, if they're poor, whatever. A person's a person, right? So at that moment when I showed, you know, or like when she saw my phone, the message that he had one for me, it felt so good for me. And I was just like, wow, I cannot believe that I'm getting this bag. I mean, it was just like, you know, it's like a unicorn, right? Like something that you know exists, but you've never seen it. Like you've seen YouTube videos about it, or you've, you know, heard someone having it, but you've never actually seen it. So the fact that my person was able to get it for me, oh my gosh, I was just blown away. So that's how my journey started with all of this, because I ordered the bag and I told my husband, babe, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. And he was like, what? You know nothing about YouTube. And I said, yeah, it's okay. I'll figure it out later, you know? And so when this beautiful bag came, I decided to, yeah, I might as well record it on YouTube, because what if there's other people that want to see it that have never seen it, or they might not ever see it, right? So this way they could see the video and see what it's like. So this beautiful, beautiful, wonderful small vanity case is actually the reason why I started YouTube. And I just wanted to show her to you guys and tell you about my story, because I'm pretty sure you guys have had other experiences like that as well, where, you know, you've kind of had like a bad experience at a store and it makes you, you know, turned off and you don't want to go. You know what? Go. Every single person, I don't care how much money you have or you don't have, you can go shopping wherever you want. So if you want to go to a store, don't feel intimidated. Just walk in and hopefully you'll find a great SA, you know, which is a sales associate. And if you don't, keep trying, because at the end of the day, you work so hard for your money. You deserve to buy something if you want to. So just go shopping. I say go, have fun, and just go shop, right? But yeah, so sorry, kind of went off on a tangent there, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is the reason, this beautiful, beautiful bag that I am so in love with is the reason why I actually started my YouTube channel. And I wanted to bring her out because I thought it was very appropriate that I hit my 1,000 subscribers, and I just wanted to show her to you guys and kind of give you a little story time of what happened to me. But yeah, I mean, I walked out of there feeling like $1 million. And then when I did this video, if you guys want to see it, you're welcome to. I was so scared. Never done a video before my whole life, and I just winged it. So I hope you like my little story. But this is it. She is so beautiful. I still love her now. It's been a couple of months. She actually has a little sister, which is the Camellia small vanity case that I love too. There's 2 of them now, and I'm hoping to get a 3rd one like down the road. But yeah, she's the reason why I started YouTube, and I now have 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for just everything, all your support, and just being there for me, and, you know, subscribing, sending me messages, going on my Instagram, and, you know, I think I have like 60 followers right now, which is fine because I really don't know how to use Instagram yet, but I will figure it out. But once again, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got from Chanel, because it is like the cutest thing ever. I've been wanting like super cute shoes for the summer. And, you know, my FA sent me pictures. There wasn't a lot to choose from. I was kind of a little bit disappointed this year because last year there were tons of stuff. I'm not sure if it was because of COVID and they just couldn't push merchandise fast enough. But this year, it wasn't as good as it was last year. But, I mean, I was able to find this, which is so, so cute. And I was kind of worried because I've told you guys several times, I have wide feet, right? So I didn't know if it was going to fit. Just as an FYI, if you buy something from the Chanel sale it is gonna be like final sale. So make sure whatever you get that you love it, because that is it. Like once you get it, hopefully it fits you, and if it doesn't, I don't know what to do. Like I don't know what to tell you, just find somewhere else to sell it. But it's 40% off, so obviously it's such an amazing deal, right? So this is my great huge find. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, and I am really happy about it, and it's just super cute. So it's actually a size 37, if you guys can see, because I wanted to get like a half a size up. I wasn't sure how it was gonna fit my feet. So here is the dust bags that you guys know I love having, but here she is. It's so adorable. I love her, I love her, I love her. I cannot wait to use her for the summer, but it's perfect sandals that you can use like casual, dress it up, whatever, you know. I always wear black, so this is actually perfect for me. And I love the hint of like this little cute thing. It didn't really, I don't know, it wasn't that cute in the picture. So I was kind of debating about it, but my FA was like, Josie, just buy it. I promise you it's cute. And he's very like honest with me. So if he was saying that it's cute and he's very hard to please, I was like, go, just charge it. I'm ready. Just go charge it for me. So this cute little slippers. Let me get you the other side. I call them slippers. I know that they're sandals, but I call them slippers because they kind of look like slippers. But yeah, here they are. They're so cute. I love the Chanel detail right there. It is just like a perfect pop of color that it gives, like, because it is all black. It's amazing too because it's actually padded. I've never had shoes that are padded from Chanel before. So that I thought was like really cute, and I can feel it. And it has this really cute detail on the side. When you sent me the picture, I didn't even see this, but it has a little CC on the side right there. And yeah, this is such a cute pair of sandals, and I cannot wait to wear it for the summer. Like, here you go. And the back says Chanel. Here you guys go, so you guys can see what it looks like. But like I said, it is so cute. I know it's gonna fit because I can kind of feel it right here. Like I said, I did get half a size up. So if you are gonna buy stuff for the Chanel sale, make sure that you kind of give a little bit of room, maybe even half a size, just because you know how their shoes run small. I would hate for you to get it and you can't return it, right? So yeah, like I said, I usually wear a size 6, 6.5, and I went this with a 7, and these are just so cute. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures afterwards so you guys can see what they look like. I am just really excited to try them on. I was also like, I've had some friends that have shown me like what they've gotten from the Chanel sale, so I'm gonna go ahead and include like a little montage of that, like, you know, pictures of what they've gotten, like little videos and stuff. And I am just really excited about showing you guys all the different types of things that are available, because there are some really cute things. Like for example, someone I know went to the New York Chanel store. I'll put her Instagram name. You guys can totally follow her. She's so cute. She was able to find like all these cute deals and everything. So I'll share that with you guys, her finds and her picture. And there was tons of clothing there. And I know some other stores barely had any ready to wear or barely had any accessories. I'm still waiting. I'm hoping to get some accessories, like some really cute bracelets, because I've seen some shots and they're amazing. So I will post those as well. But yeah, keep an eye out also for, you know, Nordstrom, Saks, and the Neiman Marcus Chanel boutiques. They actually have a ton of stuff, because I think that they just started their actual sale, because the one that I talked to, she's amazing. She's in Florida. She had tons of shoes, and I don't know if it's my size, because I wear, like I said, a 6.5, 7 in the case of Chanel, but she had tons of shoes. Like, she sent me like 20 different shoes, and I was like shocked. So I will post those as well. But once again, thank you so much for, you know, all your support. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe down below, whatever else you want to see next. And I'm actually going to Vegas this weekend, so I will do a shopping vlog so you guys can see what's out there, what's coming up. But definitely keep an eye out right now. Designer sale is coming, guys. Nordstrom, Saks, and Neiman's. It's like the summer right now for it. Like, one of my essays from Nordstrom just told me Off-White. If you guys are a huge Off-White fan, Chloe is like 33% off on Nordstrom. Keep an eye out, because there are some really, really good sales that are happening. And just, I hope you find good deals, because I'm all about getting something on sale. Like, how cool is this? I got this for 40% off, and I love the fact that I can use it with my cute little small vanity case. Like, it's perfect together. So thanks again for watching, and once again, thank you so much for, you know, your support, for subscribing to my channel, and I will try to put out more content for you guys, and I'll try to do more giveaways as well. Thanks again. All right, bye. Have a good one. Thank you.